Hi guys, back to another video. Today we're gonna be reacting to Dizzy Dazzy's old video, hoodie, which love. Okay. We got Luna, Nikki, whatever. Peter, looking sassy. Looney Tunes, confirmed. Danny. Yeah, I'm gonna be late. Hey, can you get off me? Okay, bell rings. She's in my class. Well, you must be the new student. Go and take a seat. Just great. He got some body stuff over here, and she decides to sit in front of me. Can't flip and see the board. Uh-oh. Put her down right now. Fine. Whatever. Attention now. When will you learn? Okay, she's depressed. What do you want? Do you wanna be friends? Oh my god. He's like, hell no. Get out of here. Oh no. To be continued. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and all that. Peace. And comment down below which